Tuesday, we have some really exciting content during the general session. We are going to do a workshop on food safety culture as the first item in the general session with Frank Yanis, who literally wrote the book on food safety culture. For those of you that haven't seen Frank speak on this topic, this is an amazing opportunity to learn from literally the expert in this field, talking a little bit about behavior and how you can impact and change behavior to improve your food safety culture. No matter if you're a regulatory agency or a restaurant, grocery store, or manufacturer, you do have a food safety culture. The question is it the food safety culture you want? Excited about that program. The second part of the morning is really going to be an exploration with a panel discussion talking about our sum is greater than our parts, exploring the value and influence in our shared food safety system, talking about all the players in the system and how we work together and how we may influence change in that system. Excited about this panel presentation that includes a wide variety of speakers and panelists, and we think this will be very exciting. For lunch, we will be having the Wiley Awards luncheon. Harvey Wiley was the leader that really started food safety regulation at the federal level. Serving as chief chemist, he explored lots of contaminants in food and the impact they were having, eventually resulting in the passage of the food safety laws in 1906, what became the Food, Drug, and Cosmetics Act and the Meat Inspection Act also. Very important influence in our past, and actually a past AFDO member. We're very excited, though, that this award luncheon is included in your registration and provides a great opportunity to recognize your peers across the country for their wonderful work that they have done. So please join us for lunch and the opportunity to meet, continue networking, and recognize your peers. Tuesday afternoon, the tracks will continue their great sessions. We have lots of great programming. We're going to talk a little bit about the retail in another segment, but in this segment, just want to hit a little bit on what's happening in the food track. We'll be talking about water reuse and understanding the technologies and how that's being done and how we maintain safety through water reuse. Talking about non-thermal process, helping to understand and assess how non-thermal processes can be used safely. And of course, talking about continuing our conversation on food traceability as we're getting much closer to the food traceability rule being in effect. And it's impacting all of our industries from restaurants and grocery stores to food manufacturers, to farmers, all the way through the food system. We're very excited about